Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make this delicious cheesy crab and shrimp dip. So let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by prepping our ingredients. Shred some fresh mozzarella cheese, Parmigiana Reggiano or Parmesan cheese, and Havati. Then chop up some green onions. Next, in a large pot of water, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of liquid seafood boil. The vinegar will make it easier to pick the crabs, and the liquid seafood boil adds flavor. Bring the water to a boil and then cook some snow crab legs for about 5 minutes. I think 2 snow crab legs would be enough. When your snow crab legs have finished cooking, remove the meat from the crabs. When you're finished, set your crab meat to the side. Next, clean, devein, and peel some large shrimp. 2 to 3 large shrimp should be enough for the dip. Next, in a pan over medium heat, add butter. Then add your shrimp. Once you've added your shrimp, season them. I season my shrimp with pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Old Bay, and paprika. Sauté your shrimp for about 4 to 5 minutes. Once your shrimp have finished cooking, chop them into small pieces. When you finish chopping your shrimp, set them to the side. Next, in a pan over medium heat, add olive oil. Then add a half a cup of diced onions. Then sauté your onions for about 4 minutes. Once you finish sautéing your onions, add a tablespoon of minced garlic. Sauté the garlic with the onions for about a minute or so. Once you finish sautéing your garlic and onions, set them to the side. Now, in a large bowl, add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/4 cup of sour cream, the juice from half a lemon, a half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a half a teaspoon of hot sauce, the onions and garlic from before, half a cup of Havati cheese, half a cup of Parmigiana Reggiano or Parmesan cheese, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Old Bay, 8 ounces of lump crab meat, and your chopped shrimp from before. Now fold everything together until well combined. Once everything has been folded together, set your bowl to the side. In a small iron skillet or baking dish, add a bit of olive oil. Lightly grease your iron skillet or baking dish in the olive oil. Then add your crab dip. Once your crab dip is in the baking dish or iron skillet, evenly spread it out. When you're finished, add shredded mozzarella cheese on top. I also added a bit of Havati cheese on top as well. Next, bake your dip in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Then let it cool for about 10 minutes. Now all you have to do is plate it up. Place the snow crab meat from before on top. Then add some green onions and paprika. Don't forget the chips. I'm using pita chips. And this is the finished result. This dip was really good and it's super easy. It smelled divine and tasted great. Adding snow crab meat on top is totally optional. You can leave it out or you could just add it in the dip. Oh, and instead of Havati, you could just add sharp white cheddar cheese. Everything in the dip tasted really good together. I especially like the onions and the crabs. The cheese gave it a really good flavor. The green onions on top went well with it too. The dip would also make a really good appetizer or snack. Like I said before, this dip was really good. It was cheesy and easy to make, and I totally recommend. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!